plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, for this answer, they denote this as 0.2 and this as 0.1. That's why it's x2 10. Okay, 10 over here, and x1 this 0. Then you have y2 negative 8 and y1, which is this number over here. 10 minus 0 give you 10 square. Negative 8 minus 16 will give you negative 24 square. Okay, remember there's still the square root. So if you do this, you'll find that this will become 100 plus 576. And that's how they get 676 and then 26 units. Last question. Okay, I'm very sorry this cannot be seen. Okay, last question is calculate the perpendicular distance from C to AB. Calculate the perpendicular distance from C to AB, which is this line over here. Okay, this question is slightly tricky because it involves you to know how to make use of the area of this triangle. You know that this is perpendicular, correct? So you can find the area of this triangle by half multiplied by this length and this length. And because we want to find this distance, we also know that this distance over here is perpendicular to this line AB. And we also know that the area of this triangle is given by half times this base and this height. So that's why the answer over here, okay, you have half times 26 is this distance AB. Okay, this distance AB, 26 times h, because we don't know what is this perpendicular distance, will be equals to half times 10 times 8 times 16. Okay, how do we get 10 and how do we get 8 plus 16? Okay, we take a look at this. Just now we have found the coordinates A to be, okay, 10, negative 8. Do you still remember? Okay, coordinates of A is 10, negative 8. So the distance between this point and this point will be 10 units, correct? Then the next line will be this line over here. From O to this point is 8 units because it decreases, because the coordinates here is, the y value here is negative 8. This is 0. So from here to here is 8. And we know that from the coordinates of B is 16. So from 0 to this point is 16 units. So therefore, we have 8 plus 16. And if we simplify this, okay, this one will give you 24. Half times 10 times 24 will give you 120. Therefore, your h is equals to this answer over here. Okay, and that's the end of this test on coordinate geometry.